Hey, it's Seb from SocialAnxietySolutions.com. Welcome to Testimonials Tuesday. I'm reading today a comment from Jan, who happens to be from the same country that I'm from, Holland. And there's a little tip in this comment/testimonial. It was made in our WhatsApp group, which people who are a member of the Social Confidence Club are part of, and it goes as follows. He writes, "Some perspective is indeed helpful to ensure realistic expectations. What helped for me is writing down my wins. So, situations in which I no longer experience anxiety, or situations in which I no longer experience severe anxiety. Sometimes I think that the progress made is negligible, but that's a silly mind taking over. Yet that voice can be rather convincing. Reading the wins helps me to remember the progress because I know who wrote it down and that I actually experienced it. Haha. Alright, that's a great tip, a little testimonial within that little tip. So I hope that's helpful. If you're already on a journey to social confidence, great. We're opening Social Confidence Club February next year. If you are not yet the owner of my free Social Confidence Starter Kit, I suggest going to bit.ly/social confidence now. That is bit.ly/social confidence now. You get a free mini course with which you can already start reducing your social anxiety. All right, this is it for now. Talk to you soon. Bye.